Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I don't know if you've noticed, but my hair is a little bit different. So today I'm going to show you how I achieve this look. These are basically clip-ins. I'm going to show you how I do it. My hair is not relaxed. I know it looks like it's been relaxed. What I basically did was I got a keratin treatment. So my curls are a lot looser, which makes it easier for me to straighten my hair. But anyway, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you the whole process. I'm going to wash my hair. You're going to see it in its curly state, and then you're going to see what I do from curly up to straight, and then how I add these clip-ins. So sit back, relax, and let's go. Okay, so now that I'm done blow drying it, I'm going to straighten it, and then I'll show you how I put the clip-ins. So yeah, let's go. Who else does this? Like put the hair straightener really close to the face to feel if it's really hot or not, because this doesn't tell me, it doesn't have any green light or anything to tell me if it's hot or not. So I usually just make it like really close. It's not that close, it's just like here, so I can feel the heat. And then once I feel like it's hot enough, then I'll start using it. And then once I'm done straightening it, I will add the oil. I try not to put oil before because I don't want my hair to burn. So these are the clip-ins that I got. I got them from Amazon. They were actually quite cheap. I think I got 3 different sizes. I got a 20, an 18, and I think a 16. I would like to think I got a 16. I took natural black, which is this color. As you can see, it's not jet black. And then I got another one that is black. I would like to think you can see the difference between the two. This one is darker and this one is lighter. So this is how it comes. You have little clips attached to them, and in the packet they give you this get your hair out of the way, kind of like self-explanatory. So if you put it, let's say I wanted to put it here, I just put the comb in my hair and then you clip it. By clipping, it means, like you push the clip and then there you go. It's attached. Obviously, I'm not going to leave it like this because you can see the track. So that's basically what it is. And then you have a few different pieces. So this piece has 4 clips. This piece has 2 clips. So you have to be strategic where you put them. So for example, the 2-piece one, I could put it here, right? And then the 4-clip one, you put it wherever your head is longer. So I'll put it from here to here, you know, or you can make it even like closer here, right? And so on and so forth. You have one as well with just 1 clip. I tend to put this one in the back here, or you can put it at the bottom, you know, where the size of your head is a bit smaller, you know. So that's basically it. Now we're gonna attach them and go from there. So I think I'm gonna turn around so I can show you, because I don't see what I'm doing. So I can do it with my eyes closed. So this is what you do. You wrap your hair up. And then there I'm probably going to put a small one. That's it. So, when you put them on, make sure it's unclipped. This is clip, unclip. This is how you put it on when it's open. Okay. And you put it at the back. Put the comb in. Then clip. That's it. Looks cute. And I hope you can see that. So it's a bit tricky. And then from here you can do what you want. I can either leave it like this so that it looks natural, as in I'm not getting too close to seeing the tracks, but I still have space, so I could put more if I wanted to. I think I'm gonna leave it like this. Maybe I'll add more when it's time for traveling, so that I can have it on my head as opposed to in my suitcase. This is what I have left. I could always add more. And this I think it's 3 packs. It's 3 packs of hair that I put. Yeah. So this is how it looks. And then you can do this and you don't see the tracks. The goal is for you to be able to move your hair around without having to see anything, you know. Yeah, and I can like wrap my hair like this. I can do what I want. And then there's another trick as well. If you want to do a ponytail, you can just turn this the other way and comb it upside down. And then you can do a few tracks that way, and then you'll be able to do a ponytail. So yes, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any questions, anything that you would like to know that I wasn't able to tell, in the video, just put it down below and I'll be able to answer your questions as soon as I can. Now I'm gonna have to go get ready, do everything that I have to do because I have to travel tomorrow, so I have to pack, I have to do a lot of things. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you in my next one. Bye!